Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one bit dogecoin Faucet website. You can claim your free dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is free earning websites and unlimited earning websites. Okay, and this is the website. This website pay you this much dogecoin every 3 minutes, and you can claim it's very easy. Daily you can claim under time, and it just put your dogecoin wallet address in here and you can click start. Go to your deposit, copy your dogecoin wallet address from here, and you can come back and paste it. Okay, just click start claiming, and after that you can just start claiming. Just log in with your link. You can choose anyone you want randomly or manually. Get this much. I just click randomly. Every time you click randomly, in the first time they pay you this much, next time they pay you much more. Okay, and just click the card and just click here to continue, and then you can click get your Satoshi to your website. Okay, just click get Doge, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay without any second, without any timer. You can see this website pay me this much. Just going to my wallet address. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.